everyone, I'm Klara. Subscribe to my channel and like my video to improve your English. See you later! Hi everyone, I'm Klara. This caravan is mine. On this channel, I'll be sharing my life with you. Follow for English listening. I just bought this camper van. My dream is to travel the world. I hope I can do it. Oh, and by the way, I'm on a diet. Those who follow my channel know. Don't forget to follow my channel. I'm making lots of great educational videos to help you improve your English. Tell me, friends, what's the most challenging thing for you in English? English is my native language. I'm here to help you. What kind of videos would you like to see about? Let me know in the comments. Let's work on that together. Wow, look at that. One's life would be extended here, wouldn't it? Tell me guys, wouldn't you like to live in a place like this? Caravan life is amazing. Oops, I think I'm hungry. Now we're going to cook together. What should I eat today? I'm trying to lose weight by eating healthy. I've lost a total of 8 kilos. I feel great. I eat 2 meals a day, and I'm losing weight by eating healthy. I eat gluten-free, and I walk every day. And I travel the world. My kitchen is very small. Please bear with me. Tonight I'm going to make myself a chicken salad for dinner. Simple, filling, and healthy.
First I'll chop the salad, then I'll boil the chicken, and then I'll combine the two and enjoy it.
It's time to eat now. I was really hungry. I didn't even realize it was evening. Today was a wonderful day, guys. In my next videos, I'll be making various English videos for you. Stay tuned! Your English will definitely improve if you watch my videos regularly. Join me in my life and let's have fun together. Take care, everyone. See you again very soon. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like my video. I love you. Goodbye.